Really quick tutorial on the basic circuitry of a carburetor. Ready? Check this out. So there's my carb. This is the accelerator pump nozzle. When you give it a little bit of gas, it's a squirt gun and it squirts fuel in, see? And then right there is the main circuit where the fuel comes from the main operating circuit. So first comes the accelerator pump, and then the main circuit catches up, and that's the basic of the carburetor. Then there's a bonus circuit here for wide open throttle lung pulls, but I blocked it out by putting a vacuum cap over it. But what it does is after a long time at wide open throttle, fuel creeps up to the top and it just dumps into the venturi. This is the air corrector jet right here. This bleeds air into this main circuit that catches up, and it shifts the response when the response to the main circuit fuel happens, and it also can affect the air fuel ratio. Ready? Here we go again. And you could see that the accelerator pump stopped delivering fuel after a few moments.